Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with hashtag 30 weeks of a pocket letter, and it is week 13. And with Labor Day being next Monday, I thought I'd do a pocket letter referring all about Labor Day. And all I did, it's a simple pocket letter, I'll admit that, compared to my other ones, is I went on Google and just found some Labor Day inspired images. And I kind of just slightly decorated. So I'm here to share. So up here it's a little boy and a doggy, and it says Happy Labor Day. And I used patriotic paper. Got some stars going. And this one I got here, it says it's a woman celebrating Labor Day. And I can't read this down here, but I thought it was a cool image. And I got a gold stars. And then I got the little gal with the flag. It says Happy Labor Day and washi. So that's that roll. Like I said, this one's really simple. Got this image. It says Labor Day Sovereign. And it's a man. And it's got an eagle and a flag. Got some stars. And then I got Happy Labor Day and some gold stars. For here, it says, oops, I got some glue on there. I gotta fix that star. Labor Day Sovereign. It's got the blacksmither, probably the farmer. I don't know who she's supposed to be. Gears down here. Labor. Here's a gal again. It's stars and it says Labor Day. I thought she was a cool image. And then I got a woman with a wrench. I just put these little stickers that my father-in-law gave me of the United States flag. It's got some gold stars here. Happy Labor Day. Over here is Happy Labor Day. Whoa! Oopsie daisy. Some stars. Pumpkin pie. The wagon. I don't know what's supposed to be in that. Looks like, I don't know, plates and something. But I thought it was cute. So that's the front. And I just got some washi tape going down the side of some stars. Of course, I did the back. Got the United States. The gentleman with an accent says Happy Labor Day. Here it says Labor Day again. Arm. Happy Labor Day with some gear and some. And I just put some stars and some gold stars, as you can see. Happy Labor Day. Fist up with the wrenches. The United States flag there. Some gold stars. Has a man and a woman. He looks like he's coming home from work and she's hugging him. Happy Labor Day. And then I got these stickers again from my father-in-law. It says Labor Day. What we've done, what's to be done. And short, it says unparalleled wartime production, shorter work weeks, higher wages, better working conditions, Social Security, 18.5% hourly raise. So you could tell this is when it first started, Labor Day. I looked it up. Guys, look up Labor Day. It's very interesting. What's not to be done? Full employment, ended discrimination, decent housing, better medical care, job security, annual wages. And I thought that was unique. This over here says makers of prosperity. And you have the United States and the farmer and the blacksmither. And then I put some of those stickers from my father-in-law. Women support labor. Equal pay for equal work, regardless of gender, race, religion, sexual orientation. Unions built this. And then you have the man and woman in the back flag and says Labor Day. So that's the back. Like I said, it's just a simple one this week. But I thought, do one for Labor Day. So, hey, what can I say? It's Labor Day. I mean, we don't get mail on Labor Day, I don't believe. Most people have to work regardless. And it's not even classified. Like I asked my husband, and he says no, he doesn't get holiday pay on Labor Day. I don't even for sure if he's working. I'd have to double check, but whatever. There's still time to join in the 30 weeks pocket letter. I've said this in numerous videos, probably everyone at the load. Just create a pocket letter of your art, load it every Wednesday after 2 Central Standard Time, kind of explain each pocket, and share what you make. And have fun with us. Sabrina and I are having fun doing these. And I will see you next week. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.